Replacing the mainboard and speakers on your TV can easily be done by following these steps. Be sure to use genuine Samsung parts and confirm that the part is compatible with your television model and type. All you need to replace the mainboard and speakers is a genuine Samsung Open Jig tool and a discharge tool. Also, make sure you have a suitable space that's large enough to lay your TV down, a soft blanket to protect the TV screen, and a friend to lend you a hand. Before getting started, unplug the TV and remove any connections and power cords. Now, with the help of a friend, lay the TV face down onto the soft surface with the bottom of the TV near the edge. Begin by removing the stand feet. Next, remove the TV's back cover. Insert the Open Jig tool into the small latches located on the bottom right or left side of your TV until the ridge. Twist it 90 degrees and then lift up to disengage the hook on the bottom. You may need to use your hand to retain the gap. Then, carefully and slowly slide the Open Jig tool up the sides of the TV to disengage the side hooks, and along the top of the TV to disengage the top hooks. Once the side and top hooks are disengaged, lift the back cover from the top and wiggle the bottom of the cover to remove. After removing the back cover, it's important to snap a photo of the panel label. You'll need to reference this later on in the process. Be sure to take a photo of this tag, because you will need these numbers when setting the option bytes at the end of the repair. Next, using the discharge tool, discharge the high voltage capacitor. For your safety, make sure you do this before disconnecting and removing anything. Discharging high voltage capacitors is critical and dangerous, so please proceed with caution. Once the capacitors are discharged, disconnect the orange SMPS cable. From the main board, remove the display ribbon cable from its clip. Disconnect the yellow speaker cable, and then disconnect the IR jog cable. Now, using both hands to hold the board assembly, remove it by lifting up and sliding it over to the left. Now, remove both speakers from their mounts. Now it's time to install the replacement speakers and the main board. First, place the new speakers into their mounts. Now, take the new board assembly and place it back into position by lifting the SMPS to release the lock and then sliding it. Then, reconnect the IR jog cable to the main board, along with the yellow speaker cable, and then reattach the display ribbon to its clip. Next, reconnect the orange SMPS cable. Then, reattach the back cover to your TV. Make sure to press firmly down on the top and sides to ensure it is securely locked in place. Finally, reattach the stand feet and move your TV back into place. Then, run the option bytes setting to ensure your TV is operating properly. Using a standard Samsung remote, power off the TV, then press Mute 182 Power to access the factory TV menu. Select Option, then Type. Here's where you'll need that photo of the panel label you took earlier. Your TV's type can easily be found on the bottom right of the label. Select that type from the list. Next, refer to the label on the back of your TV for the remaining option bytes information. You'll need the model code and information from the version number to complete the process. Set the local set to your country. The software model found on the rear label, and the front color also found on the rear label. Finally, set the model code. Also, confirm the speakers are working by performing the sound test on your TV.